This is a Valve texture file. It is used in source games, TF2, Left 4 Dead. You need VTFEdit to view or convert these textures to PNG. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the tool. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the VTF archive, even if it can't fully extract it. A user with a .vtf file is almost always a gamer or modder for Valve's source engine games, e.g. Counter-Strike, Team Fortress 2. They are trying to view, edit, or create custom textures, skins, for weapons, characters, or maps, and need specialized tools to convert or work with this format. The .vtf format is a proprietary binary container designed for game engine efficiency. It stores texture data and its mipmaps along with metadata flags for rendering properties like transparency or reflectivity. This all-in-one design allows the source engine to quickly load and apply textures with optimal performance. To gain full access to VTF, the application needed is VTFEdit from Neil Jed Jedrzejewski and Ryan Nem Gregg. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows cannot interpret most game file content, so opening or using them requires the game or dedicated tools. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your VTF file and click Open With. If VTFEdit is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software link. If your VTF file will not open, do not worry. The primary software didn't cooperate. That's fine. We pivot. I need you to execute these 3 focused steps to pinpoint the exact VTF error. First, opening with VTFEdit. Download VTFEdit from NEM's Tools website, which is the standard tool for working with Valve texture format files. Launch VTFEdit and use File then Open to load the VTF file. The application displays the texture with mipmap navigation and properties panel showing format flags and dimensions. Next, converting with VTFEdit. Use VTFEdit's file. Then export function to convert VTF files to standard formats like PNG, TGA, or BMP for editing in image editors. After modifications, import the edited image back into VTFEdit using File then Import to recreate the VTF file with proper formatting and mipmap generation. Finally, using GIMP with plugin. Install the VTF plugin for GIMP to open VTF files directly in the free image editor. Download the plugin from the GIMP plugin registry and place it in the GIMP plugins folder. Restart GIMP and open VTF files normally for editing with full GIMP image manipulation tools. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.